Good morning to all of you. Students, today we take another basic topic, students, from chemistry. This is very basic fundamentals of chemistry, students, which we are going to learn today. This is useful to you in every chemistry topic, students. First of all, be seated, keep your phone down, pen and book should be with you. This is the topic which we are going to learn is the basic fundamental concept of chemistry, students. Without this, you cannot learn a single thing in chemistry. Students, in the class 9, you had studied about chemistry chapters. In that, you learnt about atom, ATOM, atom. You see your screen, students, atom, and also you learnt about element. About atoms and elements, also molecule, about molecule also. About this in detail, you learnt in the class 9, students. Today, I am going to take about this topic. Element. I turned the screen to horizontal, students. I turned the screen to horizontal, students. Today, we are going to learn about element. Not down on your notebook, student. Element. Heading is element. Question is, what is an element? Can any one of you say? Unmute and say, any one of you from girls and boys, what is an element? What is an element? Can any
The
one of you?
substance contains only one type of atom, sir.
Very good. Who is this? Teja? Who is that? Name, please. Who told this answer? Name, please. Name, child. Correct. Okay. Element is a substance. Note down. An element is a substance which contain ONA kinds which contain only one kind of atoms. రకమైన వేరే రకమైన yes. మరి current if disturbance you stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Sundadi. What I was telling about is element definition. Element contain only one kind of atom. ఒకే రకమైన atoms ఉంటే ఆ substance ని element అని చెప్తారు. what is today's topic is, there are nearly 105 elements discovered so far. Generally we say 105 elements were discovered so far. ఇప్పటి వరకు 105 వరకు ఎలిమెంట్స్ డిస్కవర్ చేసినారు. పీరియాడిక్ టేబుల్ లో 114 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇచ్చినాడు. every element has its own symbol and fixed number that we call atomic number. A fixed number name antarante atomic number antaru. Note down this word, atomic number. Every element has a one fixed number. That number is called atomic number. What is atomic number? This also you had studied in the class 9 students. Can anyone of you say what is atomic number? Can anyone of you say what is atomic number?
An element fixed number.
Fixed number, it's just one brief idea, student. Atomic number means, note down. Somebody is telling, say number of
protons and neutrons.
Karun Tejana. Who is that?
Sir.
Name please. In the class lo
Karun
vina kada
Teja.
akkada chemist NTSC lo. Okay, note down students. Number of protons present in the nucleus. Number of protons present in the nucleus is called atomic number. ఇంకొక డెఫినేషన్ ఉంది, రాసుకోండి. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్. Number of electrons. Electron spelling I am writing on the screen. Electrons. Number of electrons present in the neutral. Present in the neutral. I am writing spelling of neutral on the screen. Neutral. Present in the neutral atom. I repeat definitions. Two are there for the definition of atomic number. One is number of protons present in the nucleus. Another definition is, in terms of electrons, number of electrons present in the neutral atom. Both are same meaning, both use the same meaning, and both are the definition for the atomic number. Who is that?
Hello.
Hello, who? What child? What child? What child? If you have any problem, students, you can send message to me. In between, don't interrupt. If you have problem, then only you can say your problem through message. Now students, I am going to tell you and train you how to write symbols for the element in this class. ఈ క్లాస్లో ఎలిమెంట్స్కి సింబల్స్ ఎలా రాస్తారు అనేది నేర్పిస్తాను. వాటికి అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఏముంటుంది అని కూడా చెప్తాను. ఆల్ దిస్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నోట్ డౌన్ బై సీయింగ్ ద స్క్రీన్. ఫోన్ స్క్రీన్ చూసి you all have to note in your notebook. So in your notebook, you make 3 columns, students, like this. Like this 3 columns you make. And in the heading, first one is element. Element in ikkada. In the second column, symbol, SYM, BOL. I don't have proper space. You write in the column. symbol. In the third column, you write atomic number. ఇవి మూడు రాయండి. నౌ యు రైట్ ఇట్. హెడ్డింగ్ పోవాలి. నా కింద వచ్చింది, మీరు పైన రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్ heading is element. Second column heading is symbol. Third column heading is atomic number. I erase this after completion. That's why you note down, students. Follow me. Whatever written, whatever asking you to write, immediately you write it because I erase it. First heading is element. Element. Second column heading symbol, BOL. Third column heading is atomic number. Students, any disturbance regarding the network, you can send me message through chat. Now, after writing the three headings, in the first column, student, number 1, in the first column, students, number 1, first column you write 1 hydrogen. First column lo HYDROGEN hydrogen. Element kinda rayali idi. Number 1 hydrogen. Second column you have is heading symbol. ఆ సెకండ్ కాలంలో ఏం రాస్తారంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద సింబల్ ఫర్ హైడ్రోజన్? ద ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రోజన్ క్యాపిటల్ హెచ్. సో క్యాపిటల్ హెచ్ ఈస్ ద సింబల్ ఫర్ హైడ్రోజన్. Wrong. Must be capital letter. Voice is not clear now.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So second column heading is H. Okay, good. Second column heading is H. Sorry, in second column write H. Right side to the H, that is the third column. In the third column write 1. Number 1. 1 and rayandi. It means hydrogen symbol is capital H. Its atomic number is 1. That's the meaning, student. Scale unte line veskovachu. Second one is element కింద రాయండి హీలియం. ఈ ఆర్డర్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఫాలో కావాలి. నాకు ఆర్డర్ బై హెడ్ చేసి చెప్పాలి మీరు. అందుకని డోంట్ రైట్ అప్ అండ్ డౌన్. సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ నేమ్ is helium. 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 Right side to it, symbol కింద రాయండి the symbol for helium. This first letter of helium and second letter of helium, that is capital H. చూడండి ఫస్ట్ capital H, small e రాయాలి. You must write small e, not capital E. And E should be short, పొట్టిగా చిన్నగా ఉండాలి, పెద్దగా ఉండకూడదు. అంటే ఇలా చూడండి, హెచ్ యొక్క సైజ్ కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంది ఈ. అండ్ స్మాల్ లెటర్ ఉంది, షార్ట్ గా ఉంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద వే టు రైట్ ద సింబల్ ఫర్ హీలియం, HE. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వే. రాంగ్ వే పక్కన చూపిస్తున్నాను చూడండి, ఇలా రాయకూడదు. ఇలా హెచ్ కి సమానంగా సైజులో ఈ రాయకూడదు, రాంగ్ వే. ఇలా కూడా రాయకూడదు, స్మాల్ ఈ క్యాపిటల్ ఈ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో రాంగ్ వే. ఓన్లీ దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ వే. Capital H, small e, that is HE. We say HE is the symbol for helium. దానికి రైట్ సైడ్ లో 2 రాయండి. It means atomic number of helium is 2. I say once again. Second one is helium. Symbol is He, capital H, small e. Third column, atomic number of helium is 2. దాన్ని ఎలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలంటే atomic number of helium is 2. Then above to it, దాని పైన atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Now third one students, lithium, Li THIUM, lithium. Third element name is lithium, LiTHIUM, lithium. This is the name of the element, lithium. Students, if session ends, I continue 5 to 10 minutes. You can join with the same link. Note this point. Now you are writing in your notebook. Everyone are writing. Third one is lithium, LiTHIUM, lithium. Its a symbol is this first letter, Li, and the second prominent letter, small I, must be small I. This ఈ వేలోనే రాయాలి. క్యాపిటల్ ఎల్, స్మాల్ ఐ. స్మాల్ ఐ ఇంకా షార్ట్ ఉంటే కరెక్ట్ అయిపోతుంది ఇలా. Then this one is correct. Li. Li is the symbol for lithium. Don't leave the gap. L కి I కి మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ రాయండి, అనుకొని రాయండి. Lithium symbol is Li. And its atomic number is 3. Atomic number of lithium is 3. Third column రాయాలి. Lithium, Li, 3. Yes. After this, right students, fourth one.
సింబల్ లేదా సార్?
Fourth one, serial. For which?
సార్
For which child? Symbol
Sir.
for which?
లిథియం కు సింబల్ లేదా
say.
సార్? లిథియం కు సింబల్
చెప్తాను,
లేదా
నీకు
సార్?
కనిపించలేదు మరి వస్తాను. Writing already told. I think you are not seen. I am writing once again. Lithium symbol is Li. Li, capital L, small letter I, and small letter I should be short also. Li. L capital letter ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలి, పెద్దగా ఉండాలి. I small letter లో ఉండాలి, చిన్నగా ఉండాలి. Li. Atomic number is 3. Already told this. I think you are not seen the screen, not listen also. Okay. Third one is lithium. Symbol is Li. Number is 3. Now we take the fourth one. Fourth one is
Beryllium.
beryllium. BERYLLIUM. Spelling and the name of the element is on your screen, students. See it and note down in your notebook. Beryllium. BERY. Why it is? BERYLLIUM. Beryllium. Somebody is unmuted. Mute it. Fourth element name is beryllium. Its a symbol is this first letter and second prominent letter, students. అన్నిటికీ లాగే ఉండదు. This is for beryllium. You have to note it. So how to write symbol? BE. ఇలా సెకండ్ కాలమ్ రాయండి. ఇది BE అనేది. BE is the symbol for beryllium. Its atomic number is 4. In third column under atomic number, Write number 4. So fourth element I am saying once again to you students. Fourth one is beryllium. Right side ki then right side lo em rastaru Be. Right side to Be 4. It means beryllium atomic number is 4 and its symbol is Be. Getting sound, student. Who is that? Mute it. This is the fourth element, student. Now fifth one we take.
Boron.
Fifth one. Very good. BO RON. Boron. Boron is the name of the element. BORON. Boron. Fifth element, boron. Element name is boron. Its symbol is only one letter. This time there are no two letters. Only capital B. I am writing down. Capital B is the symbol for boron. Boron ki symbol B. Kevalam B. Only one letter in the symbol. Only one letter in the symbol, students. Notice this point. Boron symbol is B. Its atomic number is 5. Atomic number is 5. Boron B. Atomic number 5. Capital B, not small b. After this, sixth one, students, note down. That is not correct, student. Who is doing that? Harimadan, your name is printed here. Can see your name. Harimadan is not correct. Erase it. See there. Sixth one is not nitrogen, child. It's carbon. CARBON. Carbon is the name of the element. Under serial number 6, you are writing this. CARBON, carbon. CARBON, carbon. Its symbol is this first letter only, capital letter, only one letter. So symbol is C. C is the symbol for carbon. Only one letter in the symbol. Only one letter in the symbol, students. And atomic number is 6. Carbon C, atomic number 6. 6 is the atomic number of carbon and its symbol is C. ఇలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. Symbol of carbon is C and its atomic number is 6. Like this you have to remember, students. After this, seventh one we take. Serial number 7. Element name is nitrogen. 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 GEN, student, not Z. GEN, gen, nitrogen. NitroGen. Write this in serial number below heading element. Element heading lo nitrogen and rayandi. Its symbol is this first letter only single letter. Capital N. I'm writing down. N is the symbol for nitrogen. N is the symbol for nitrogen. And its atomic number is 7. And its atomic number is 7. So how to remember? Nitrogen symbol is capital N. Atomic number is 7. 7 is the atomic number of nitrogen and its symbol is N. ఇలా గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ కాలంలో నైట్రోజన్, సెకండ్ కాలంలో క్యాపిటల్ ఎన్, ఇన్ థర్డ్ కాలం 7 అని ఉండాలి. అవన్నీ ఈ మూడు హారిజంటల్లో ఉండాలి. నైట్రోజన్ కి రైట్ సైడ్ లో క్యాపిటల్ ఎన్ కి రైట్ సైడ్ లో 7. Next we take is eighth one is oxygen. Oxygen is the name of the element. OXYGEN. Note this letter, student, here. GEN, nitrogen. OXYGEN, oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen is the name of the element. Its symbol is only first letter. I am writing down O. మీరు కింద రాయొద్దండి, రైట్ సైడ్లో రాయండి మీరు కూడా స్టూడెంట్స్. ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ స్పేస్ హియర్. సింబల్ కింద ఓ రాయండి. ఆక్సిజన్ సింబల్ ఇస్ O. Atomic number 7. Atomic number column, sorry, atomic number is 8.